create drain pipe or downspout. For that, go to the poly beam. You can use the properties and all like this. If you want, you can change the properties, but I just use here same properties. Now I just click here and place it like this, 200, then enter, then place it like this, 500, then enter, then I place it like this, click here, then if you go down, now I just click here, shift right click, go to the perpendicular, just click here, press the mouse center button, it will place like this. Now if you go here, you can see this one, select this one, press alt in your keyboard, you can select like this, go to the properties, select here rounding. Now I just make it here 50 approximately, but you have to make it this one as per available elbow, or if you are making bending, no need to worry, you can bend with any dimension. You have to follow the minimum radius here. Now select this side, also I just make it here rounding 50, then enter, then select this one, this side I just make it here rounding here 150, then enter. So we given here higher radius, here we used lower radius. Now just place it like this. If you go down, you can see here the pipe. If you want, you can cut and remove some area, just go to edit and go to the line cut, select this one, you can cut and remove approximately 45 degree or something, you can cut and remove like this. So this is downspout or drain pipe. Now if you go to the 3D view, what we created, here it is, right click redraw, you can see everything. So this is drain pipe. If you want, you can select this pipe, you can increase the size, or you can place this pipe wherever you want. Now I just select this one, right click, copy, click this point and click here, all the area you can click like this, or you can copy special, you can use copy special linear and you can place it also. Each and every method you need to know, so that's why I'm doing all the methods. So now this one is placed. Similar way you can select this one, press Ctrl and you have to select this multiple pipe, then go to the grid A view, press Ctrl tab, you can go to this view. Now you have to place it work plane like this, right click, copy special, mirror, click this point and click here, copy and click OK. Now if you go to the 3D view, you can see the downspout both the side. So this is the way you can create downspout. But here this gutter we didn't create any downspout. If you want, you can create here also. Inside you can create the downspout, you can take water outside, same method. But we need to collect a drain pipe, combined header, you have to collect it, the collected water you have to get it outside. Then you can see here this side we didn't made any flashing. How we made this corner flashing or gable end flashing, how we made, same the way you can make here also flashing. If you don't want to show the structure outside, you can make flashing.